Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Jennifer. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you spending some time with me. Would love it if you would join our little YouTube family here by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a foundation review. And this is not a foundation that is actually new at the drugstore, but it is new to me. So on this channel, I do lots of foundation reviews, of Amazon hauls, and makeup reviews. So if you like that type of content, you're in the right spot. We are going to do a wear test again today. I love the wear test. The Huda Beauty is like my absolute #1 all-star. I don't even want to use anything else. We'll see how this other foundation adds up. Today I have the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. It's for normal to dry skin. It has SPF of 18 and it's with vitamin E. I have the shade 225 Medium Buff. Let's just see how this goes today. Let me shake this up. It's been sitting here for like a week or two. If you watched my other videos, you know that I was going to review this. I do have a little bit of self-tanner on, so hopefully it matches. I have sunscreen on already. I'm using the Tula, and I did get a new beauty blender. So we are going to try this out. Okay, my first impression is I don't love I love the pumps where you can just like pump it on your face. I'm gonna take my finger and we're just going to put it on the skin. I do want to say I did get this off of Amazon. It was like $3 at the time. So how can you pass up $3? I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat this in. First impression is it blends in the skin so fast with this beauty blender. Okay, I just finished up blending in the foundation. It's not as glowy as I thought it would be, but I don't hate it. To me, it's more like a natural matte. You know, there are days where I don't want like a whole bunch of like glowiness on my face. So next time I use it, I might try this Maybelline Perfector under it and see if that gives like a little bit of a glow. Actually, let's put this like where I would highlight and see what that will do. So we're just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Perfector, and we're just going to see if it like adds a little bit. I haven't put concealer on yet. Yeah. So that adds just a tad bit glow, which that's what I like. Do you hear the ding ding man? You guys know it's spring when you hear the ding ding man. I did get a couple new things I got from Ulta the other day, but I'm gonna show that in another video first, and then we'll try them together in another video. So I'm excited for that. So we're gonna go in with my e.l.f. Cameo Concealer. I have a light peach, which is a little bit too light for me, but I need to find a new bronzer. You're probably sick of seeing this bronzer. I have the Always Sunny. We're going to try the beauty blender with this and see if that makes a difference. Holy moly, it does. So I've been using the e.l.f. one, the e.l.f. sponge, and I haven't been liking it with the bronzer. The beauty blender definitely makes a difference. I hope the glare isn't too bad. I struggle with this room. So there's a Rare Beauty with the Beauty Blender. I am loving it with the Beauty Blender. That is really pretty. Might actually put just a little bit more. Yes, yes, and so on this side of the face, I did the Rare Beauty powder, and I also did the Rare Beauty blush, and I believe it's in Believe. So I'm just taking my Beauty Blender and I'm pressing this in, which I am loving. Okay, so there we go with the face. I am going to just run e.l.f. through my eyebrows. I believe this is in dark brown that I have. I think I need to get a new one. Okay, my lips, and I will do a check-in in a couple hours to show you what this foundation looks like. Right now it looks pretty matte and poreless, which I mean I like. If you like a matte foundation, then you'll like this one. So I'll show you in a couple hours and I will be back. Okay, so it's the end of the night, doing our normal check-in. I've had this foundation on for like 12, maybe 13 hours straight, and I mean, I think it speaks for itself. My blush is still on. My pores are still looking good. Yes, I could do some touch-ups if I wanted to, but I'm like feeling like I'm looking really poorly. Okay, so what I was saying is I do look a little bit glowy right there, but that's okay. Like, I mean, I'm looking in the mirror and I'm completely satisfied with having this makeup on over 12 hours. So I'm really happy, and I will be wearing this foundation more. And yeah, so I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.